detector, milepost 530.0, no defect. Repeat, no defect. Total axle 4, 6. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector south, milepost 51.1. CSX equipment defect detector south, milepost 51.1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 9er 2. End of transmission.
Detector 138.4. Track 2. Third. 5, 1. North rail.
CSX, Night, Florida. No defect. Total axle 4, 4, 8. Length 7, 4, 7, 1.
Second. Hot wheel. Axle 5, 9. South rail. Third. Hot wheel. Axle 5, 1. North rail. Second. Hot wheel. Axle 5, 9. South rail. Go for train 6, 2, 7, 3. Train speed 1, 4.
CSX equipment defect detector milepost 818.9er. No defects. No defects. Total axle 114. End of transmission. CSX equipment defect detector milepost .1. Track 3. CSX equipment defect detector milepost .1. Track 3. No defects. Total axle 5-2. End of transmission.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 012.9. No defect. End of transmission.
CSX equipment defect detector milepost 19er 7.8. No defects. No defects. Total axle 336. End of transmission.
CSX detector milepost 179.6. CSX detector milepost 179.6. No defect. Repeat, no defect. Total axles 372. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector milepost 265.4. No defects. No defects. Total axle 10. End of transmission. CSX equipment defect detector milepost 274.8. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 566. End of transmission.
CSX Buffalo, Indiana. No defect. Total axles 190. Speed 037. Length 4299.
CSX equipment defect detector milepost 155.7. Track 1. CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 155.7. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 464. End of transmission.
CSX detector milepost 38.9. No defect. Repeat. No defect. Total axle 124. Detector out. CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 2. No defects. Repeat. No defects. Detector out.
CSX car clearance detector. Milepost 6.6. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 452. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 62.64. Main 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 616. End of transmission. CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 151.1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 288. Train length 4128. End of transmission.
MP1610, CSX 4710, no defects.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 62.64. Main 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 616. End of transmission.
CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 1. CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 1. You have a defect. CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 1. First hot wheel north rail axle 77. Second hot wheel south rail axle 77. Total axles 200. CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 1. First hot wheel north rail axle 77. Second hot wheel south rail axle 77. Total axles 200. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 62.64. Main 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 616. End of transmission.
CSX detector milepost 165.6. No defects. Repeat. No defects. Total axles 288. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector. East. Milepost 176.6. No defects. No defects. Total axle 288. Train length 4113. End of transmission.
1010, CSX 4710, no defects.
CSX detector milepost 189.3. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 288. Detector out.
10-3-1610.
CSX equipment defect detector east milepost 201.1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 288. Train length 409.5. End of transmission.
3-1610,
CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 1. CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 1. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 428. Detector out. CSX detector milepost 519.7. Track main 2. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 346. Detector out.
CSX detector, milepost 33.7, track main 1. CSX detector, milepost 33.7, track main 1, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 16, detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector west, milepost 32.24, track 2. CSX equipment defect detector west, milepost 32.24, track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 156. End of transmission.
CSX detector milepost 471.8. No defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axles 430. Detector out.
CSX equipment defect detector milepost 135.0. Track 2. CSX equipment defect detector milepost 135.0. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 294. Speed 26. End of transmission.
CSX detector. Milepost 9.0, no defects. Repeat, no defects. Total axle 674. Temperature 71. Detector out.